The Federal CARES Act provides coronavirus relief funding to families, workers, and health care providers to help them through the pandemic. But child care providers in New York State say they've been left out from the second wave of funding. Advocates want to change that, as Erica DeCoste reports.
Bronson says tens of millions of dollars are remaining in the CARES Act that are specifically designated towards child care, and they just haven't been released yet. Advocates at the conference are asking people in Rochester to put themselves in the position of an essential worker with children.
This problem may not be at your door, but it is your problem. A society is really measured by how it treats its children and, by extension, families.
They say the decision to support child care providers and programs is not a business decision, but an issue of morality and justice. Ibero-American Action League President and CEO Angelica Perez Delgado says 80% of families in the city of Rochester are single-headed households.
These families are now forced to choose between a paycheck and their children's education and their livelihood.
She and others at the conference say we can't continue to reopen the state without child care, especially when tens of millions of dollars already designated for child care have not been released.
Our child care providers are part of our children's care team. We want the governor to be part of that care team as well and to release these federal funds.
They're calling on Governor Cuomo to first compensate child care resource and referral agencies who have been dipping into lines of credit and struggling to make payroll after being enlisted to support programs and providers by Office of Children and Family Services. And secondly, they're calling on the governor to release what's remaining of the CARES Act child care funds to support programs that will be reopening and programs that are struggling to stay open. And Bronson says he and 80 other colleagues, as well as 44 organizations, communicated these concerns to Governor Cuomo in a letter earlier this month. In Rochester, Erica DeCoste, News 8.
All right, Erica, thank you. And advocates at that conference today also said that out of all the child care providers who are still open in New York State, 78% are operating now at less than 25% capacity.